Hey guys, Zach Whittakin with Timber Ridge Log Homes. I'm out here in Blair, Nebraska, starting on a new project, and it's a big log home restoration. We're doing the whole 9 yards, everything from fixing all the failing rot, peeling stain, and worn out caulking, and it's gonna keep us busy for a long time, so stay tuned and see what we have in store. So this house, it's definitely something. It's a lot of work ahead for us on it. What we're gonna have to do is first sandblast the whole house. But the biggest problem is, I mean, these two corners are completely rotten out, like really, really bad. Like there's not much left on those. So I'm gonna have to, and a lot of this chinking is bad. So what we're gonna do here is first sandblast it, and that's gonna kind of remove the loose stuff. Man, I came up here and looked at it about a year ago, but this is worse than I remember. It's all because it's all exposed up there. There's no roof overhang. I mean, that log's completely open in the elements, so we're gonna have to fix what's rotten and fix it so it doesn't happen again. I mean, the front porch looks great.
It's protected.
Yeah. That's what log home maintenance isn't too bad when it's completely undercover. But this side will be sandblasting as well. So another sunny exposed side, but the logs are in much better condition. This huge overhang and how the overhang actually comes to the logs keeps it much better protected. So this side takes abuse from the sun. You can see the stain is definitely worn off on the top side. It's hot. It's hot just touching the logs right now, and it's all blistering off. So we definitely need to sandblast this side. The corners are in really good condition. So that's literally the difference just from a flaw in a roof design caused all that damage. I forgot about the garage. It's pretty bad too, if I remember right.
It is.
Same issue. No roof overhang that's big enough for it.
So is that a tip you would recommend for people?
Yeah.
Building log homes?
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, right here, I can already tell you where's the bulk of the rot is in that front corner and right here. But that roof overhang's maybe only out 16 inches or so. This side looks like it comes out about 3 foot, 2.5 to 3 foot. And there's really almost no rot. I think, maybe, and the majority of the rot that is existent, here, little there, a little bit there, is right in the center where there's the least amount of protection. So you can see just in a 2.5 to 3 foot roof overhang how it protected all the corners, just a little right here. So that's why I like to have a minimum of a 4 foot roof overhang, but 3 foot's better than nothing. I bet you there's rot on this side. Probably a little bit. It all depends on which side of the house it's on too. If the wind blows on it often. Oh yeah. Yeah. This side's in pretty rough shape. I mean, if it was raining, I really can't even stand out of the rain. So if you can imagine, if you can't stand out of the rain when it's raining, your logs are gonna be getting wet, especially with driving rain. So this overhang should have been like way out here. And that would have helped tremendously because we got rot there. There's a lot of rot here. Tons of just like little tiny spots I can just see. Like it's just, yeah, there's a lot of rot on this side. It's kind of hidden. Chinking that's deteriorated. Oh, looks like silicone rot repair. which doesn't work very good neither, but look at that. When you like put sealants and stuff in there, it just rots underneath it. So most of this rot is going to be replaced with like log facing. So we are gonna take logs and cut the face off. Like we'll make chainsaw curves. We have to chisel it and fit it in there. And we'll try to fit it in here with, because the more you disturb of the original check or the chinking, the more like the color is gonna change. So we try to preserve as much chinking as possible, fit a new piece in there. None of them, except for on that side, the log corners, there are some full log corners that we're gonna have to replace, but most of it, and you can see here, well, that's not even, yeah. This was like milled log siding. You see how these are like natural logs? Then they put like a piece of milled siding. Someone replaced this all the way across here before. You can see where they spliced it. Put some screws in there that didn't even get driven in all the way. Yeah, that's the, yeah. It's gonna be a project for sure.
How long you thinking?
Probably 4 weeks from start to finish. I mean, that's what I would sure like to make it be. The goal is with sandblasting is I'm gonna have it, the house and garage stripped. I mean, really by the end of the week, I'll have it all stripped down. And then we gotta start on all the rot repair. That's gonna be the next big thing. Yeah, and once you see those again, those are completely rotted out. So we're gonna have to, and you see how it's different sizes of logs. So we gotta pick out different logs to fit better. So that's, now I'm gonna start on this side. So that's where we're at. All right, so this wall was a disaster of a wall. There's so much rot.